Kia ora. Welcome to Edge Learning. In this video we're going to have a look at the advanced filterable lists and look at how you can use the flags on the caregivers to pick just certain numbers of caregivers. We're also going to have a look at putting in blank columns as we do so. So we go to People and Student Lists, Advanced Filterable Lists. Then you can press New and select the fields that you want to show. It will always add the student's name, but if you want to sort the student's name, then go into Student Details, choose the legal or preferred name, and click separately on Surname and First Name, and then down to the right you can go Rank by the surname. That will sort it in order. We also want the caregiver details, so we're going to come down to Caregiver Details, we're going to get their name, and this time I'm going to go the other way and just get their name as one field rather than as three. And then we might want email, work phone, home phone, cell phone, and we're going to come to the caregiver flags, and down the bottom I'm going to go student's address. That, when I go true, is going to only get one caregiver for each student. If I wanted two caregivers, then I could do the legal guardians and make that true instead. Now I'm going to hide that column by turning off the tick for show. Another thing that is usually on these lists is coming to membership details, and it will be called different things in different schools. It could be room, form, or class. I'm going to do room name and put that on there, and often you'll actually group it by the room name so that each room is on a separate page. We can go to extra blank columns and we'll say 4 here, and then you can enter the names that are going to go on those columns. So this will be something like a camp, that you might have some of those details there that would be useful to be able to tick on a form. Having set that up, if we're going to use this again, I could give it a name and save it. If this is going to be a one-off, I can go straight to the CSV or the PDF. So you can see it's quite important not to have too much information on the page or everything gets a bit cramped. I hope that's useful. Thanks for your time. Ka kite.